Dropshippers, e-commerce owners, affiliate marketers, listen up. We've spent over 10 years in the industry, so you don't have to waste time on any of the wrong tools. Today, we're doing a full review of ShopShark, a TikTok analytics tool that could seriously change how you find winning products. All right, so this is ShopShark, and let me show you exactly how it already helped me find a winning product. Not only that I could sell on my online store, but I can actually validate the concept behind it. I can actually validate proof of concept before I sell it to my audience. And this is how. So ShopShark works through TikTok Shop through the analytics. So it picks out all of the best products that are currently trending on TikTok Shop and it pushes them out in front of you, just like this one. So this right here is a nugget ice maker that I found on the very first page of ShopShark, which I'll show you in just a second. Now, right from this page, we can immediately see a few different things. So for one, we can see that this is actually a pretty high ticket product. It's $193 and it has a 5% commission. So what does this mean? People that are pushing this product on TikTok Shop, for the most part, are affiliates. Those affiliates are making a 5% commission when they're selling it for $193. Now, ultimately, the YouHomie shop is going to be benefiting from all the sales, but this is how you can start to get a proof of concept. So for one, we can see a few stats over here, like the ranking it is currently in the US in its category. And we also have a viral index. This right here tells us how engaging a video is. So the higher the viral index, the better chance we have of actually going viral with a product like this if we decide to make some content around it. Now, we also have a popularity score, which is actually an internal score that's calculated based off of a lot of different metrics that ShopShark collects. We also have the total number of units sold. So let's just do a little bit of quick math really fast. If we're looking at it from an affiliate point of view, we're looking at about 16,000 sales. So it's $193. If we multiply that by 0.05, we have $9.65. That's how much affiliates are getting per sale. Let's multiply this by 16,000 units that have been sold, not the 0.4. Let's just do the 16. And we can see that it's going to be about $154,000. So that in itself is massive. And in just today, it's sold 75 units up until today. So let's do 9.65 times 75. So today, this product has sold about $723 in just affiliate revenue. Now imagine how much that's bringing in for the actual YouHomie shop. Now, just looking at a bit more of the details that we have up here, we also have that it's brought in a total of $4.8 million in total GMV. And simply put, GMV is gross merchandise value for those of you that don't know. And it pretty much just represents the total value amount that has been sold across all of TikTok Shop. You can also see that there's over 860 affiliates that are pushing this product. And currently there's 2,680 videos that are featuring this product in particular. And some of those different products you can actually see over here. So you can start to get a bit of inspiration as to how to structure your own videos using the information that you get from ShopShark. So let's look at the very first one, which was this one over here. We can go ahead and click on it. The video itself, this one over here, has brought in over $3.6 thousand to the store itself. Commission is 5%, so they've made about $179. In terms of views, we can see the view count here, along with the likes count and how much it's grown in the last week. Now we can see a 0% because this is actually a video that was released today. So that's crazy. This video actually already made $180 to the creator within one day. That just shows you right there the power of TikTok and how easy it is to go viral and really just start making money from day one. Now, besides that, we do have here a bit more of analytics. Again, this is a brand new video, so you're not going to see much, but here we could see a breakdown of the comments, the views, likes, and the shares, as well as the GMV. We'll be able to see a graph here as time passes. And then we have the product information itself. So we can go ahead and click into the product itself. We have a bit more information in terms of the units sold and the GMV, how much traction it's gained, or the cumulative chart. Then we have a few more videos that promote the same product, and if not the same exact product, a similar enough product. So we can go ahead and click into any one of these and actually watch them. So let's go ahead and watch this one really fast.
My kids literally just grab the ice and eat it. Summer is literally around the corner. If you still haven't purchased an ice maker, what are you doing? The nugget ice, you literally could just crunch an ice.
I don't know what it is about that nugget ice, but it just goes absolutely insane on social media. So this is something that's actually very easy to go viral with. Now you do get the rest of the actual video down here, like the tags and the caption that was used. Now, once we do close out of that, if we zoom out, we can see, again, the other videos that we did see earlier over here. You can see the number of views, the number of likes, the comments, and the engagement rate. So you can click into any one of these and see the same information that you saw earlier. Now, if we backtrace a little bit and we click on the products tab, we're going to see all of the different products that are currently trending on TikTok Shop. And right now we're actually filtered by the last 7 days. We can go up all the way to the last 60 days, and we can filter based on different categories. So let's say your channel or your niche is in the toys and gaming niche. You can go ahead and filter that through here. Another thing is you can also go to the product status. You can look for anything that's available or even discontinued. We can see the total number of units that have been sold. Again, these filters are going to be relevant to the time frame that we have down here, along with the total GMV, so how much has been sold, how many sales in the last 7 days, and the GMV in the last 7 days in particular. And then we have the rest of the different products over here. We do have a bit more information on this page though than we did in the last one. Here, right at a glance, we do have the units sold, the order growth percentage. So you can see how much it's been growing week over week on a percentage base, the GMV, the total units sold, commission rate, and the viral index. Now, the viral index is going to take all of the engagement from all of the different videos that are associated to that product, and it's going to tally it up to a score. The higher the score, the better the viral index, or the easier it is for you to go viral. Now let's check out the videos tab over here, because this is going to show us the actual videos that have been performing rather than just the products. So the second tab down here is going to show us the products that have been trending. The videos tab is going to show us the top videos. So right now we can see the first one is a Shark product. This is a product that we can offer ourselves. We can sell this as an affiliate. We can push it. But when it comes to dropshipping, or when it comes to be able to offering this product ourselves, I wouldn't recommend you do that. I suggest you look for a more generic product, because this is a branded product and we don't want to sell that ourselves. We can push it as an affiliate, but we don't sell it ourselves. And then in number 2, we actually have the video that we just saw for the ice maker. Now, scrolling through, we see just a few different pieces of information, like the video GMV, the weekly GMV growth, which again, this one is 0 because this video actually just came out today, the commission, and the paid commission. Now, I don't know about you, but me personally, when it comes to selling on live, that's not really my thing. But there's a huge market for that. And even Gary Vee said it himself. Live selling is going to be the future. And because of that, there's also a lives section over here. Now, this doesn't give you current lives or lives that are currently happening at the moment, but it does give you lives that happened previously. It tells you how long they were. If we click into it, it takes us to the actual live, but it already ended, so it's not going to show us anything on here. But what it will do is if we scroll down, we can see if they have any lives scheduled for the future. So right now, this one is actually not showing any that are scheduled, because they probably don't have any that are scheduled. But if we look at our previous one here, we can see that they actually have an upcoming lives tab. Now, just clicking back into it, we can see also the live activity heat map, which gives you information as to when the channel is live or when the creator is live. And even cooler, it shows you what products were featured in the live itself. So these are probably going to be one of the most popular products that you can find. So over here, we'll see the list of different products. We can't click into them, but what we can do is we can right click and we can actually search that image with Google Lens as well. And then we'll get a clearer picture as to what they were selling on their live and whether or not that's something that we ourselves can source as well for our store. So that was our AutoDS review on ShopShark. If you want to check it out, the link to it is going to be down in the description below, so you can test it out for yourself. If you do want to learn more about how you can start a dropshipping store and scale it based off of the information that you get from ShopShark, make sure you check out this video right here.